In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TeamViewer with an IP address. This simple and straightforward process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll be able to control a device remotely using its IP address. So, let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll need to launch the TeamViewer application on both the device you want to control, also known as the remote device, and the device you're using to connect, which we'll call the local device. It's important that both devices have TeamViewer installed and are connected to the internet for this to work seamlessly. Once TeamViewer is up and running on both devices, head over to the settings. You'll find the settings option in the upper menu of the application. From the settings, you'll then select the option labeled Network. Here, we are going to adjust a critical setting that allows a connection via an IP address. In the network settings, look for an option that says Accept Exclusively. This is an important step because this setting ensures that your device only accepts connections via the IP address, blocking unauthorized connections from other means. Once you've located this Accept Exclusively option, select it to enable the feature. With the right setting now selected, make sure to click OK to save these changes. It's crucial to remember this step because failing to save your changes means they'll be lost, and the connection may not be set up correctly. Now, we'll move on to entering the host computer's IP address. On the local device, find the Partner ID field in the TeamViewer application. This is where you'll input the remote device's IP address. This step essentially tells TeamViewer which device you're trying to control. After you've carefully entered the IP address into the Partner ID field, you just need to click Connect. At this point, TeamViewer will prompt you to enter the host computer's TeamViewer password. Make sure you have this password on hand beforehand. Input the password when requested, and this will authenticate the connection between your local and remote devices. With these steps completed, you should now be successfully connected to the remote device using its IP address. This setup is incredibly useful for managing devices that are not nearby, allowing for seamless remote access and control. There you have it. You've connected to a device using TeamViewer with an IP address. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to connect to a remote device. It's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your ability to manage devices from anywhere in the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips. Thank you for watching.